Have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Lady Gop. This is Mr. Logan Anthony, and you're watching Mom to Mom. Today we have a very special video for you because we are making a wall Christmas tree. If you'd like to see how we do it, stay tuned.
So get your helper. Hold London. This is my helper, London. Say hi, London. Say hi, London.
Hi, London.
Okay. And you're going to roll it out as long as you want it. I'm just going to make mine small for video purposes. Does not have to be perfect. Does not have to be perfect.
Let go.
As easily as you can, you are going to fold one side to another. Again, it does not have to be perfect. It does not.
We go down.
Make it flat. Make it flat. And you need a helper because this rolling will make you crazy. Alright, so you're going to take a marker or pencil, pen, whatever you want, and you're going to begin to write a small triangle. You are going to simply make another triangle, just a little longer than that one. And again, it does not have to be perfect. Slightly slanted, make another one. And then once you reach the whole way, all the way over to the end, you can then just kind of make a trunk. Call it a day. So we're really just going to cut along the line. Nothing fancy, nothing fancy. And what I like to do is go ahead and cut straight across because you don't want the excess in your way and driving you nuts. So, when coming back to the middle, don't go all the way to the middle. Kind of stop about halfway. And then go ahead and cut the rest. So yeah, if you have a third little helper that wants to be helpful, you could do that. The first time I did it, I didn't need a helper. I guess the paper wasn't so rolled up. Yep, you're gonna do this all the way down till you get to the trunk. All right, so here is the tree all rolled out from top to bottom. Of course, if you have your paper longer, it'll be longer, more fuller. The reason why I told you don't cut all the way to the middle is because you would have a skinny little tree here. So if you want your tree fatter, you can cut, a little short. So maybe stop at about this far. I'll show you what I mean. When it's folded. So maybe if you want your tree fatter, or wider rather, instead of cutting all the way to this close, maybe stop it about right there, give you more full tree. So what I'm gonna do now, as if I was putting this on the wall, take a piece of tape. I like to do the double-sided homemade fold there. And I'm gonna put it, that's what I did with my tree, at the ends there. So that when you fold it back over and you put it on your wall, it will stick.
Why does that one have tape on it? Not going to stick to it.
And you're just gonna do that on each little point there. Now, as I started to get to the longer ones, I'll put one in the middle and then one on the end. I'll show you. Yep, easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy.
That's what we say. Say it again, Monday.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
You get easy.
And a lot of the things that I use were already in my house. It was left over from last year or just stuff I found around my house. So it'll stick just like that. So I have these bag of bows as just, you know, little ornaments. And this is what you can do for your tree. Just giving you some ideas. Money, you can put some of those somewhere. Yeah. But if you have any ornaments that you'd like to use, you may also use them too. Nice little piece right here. Or I can put it up top as the star. You never know. I also had fabric ribbon laying around the house, and that's how I got my bows. Looks like this. I don't know where it came from, but it was in the house, and I made big bows. So you could place those anywhere or just make make ornaments any way that you like. All right. And lastly, this is what I use to make a big triangle around the whole tree. I ran out of this, but I just want to show you that really all I used was maybe 2 or 3 packs of this, and just lined it in a big triangle around the Christmas tree. Now, if you have a lot, you can decorate yours, you know, a little differently. Like so, or maybe stripes. Some people like the stripes. So it's all up to you. You can be as creative as you want with this type of idea. I did this because me and my husband just bought a new home, and you know, we didn't have a lot of extra change to be buying a Christmas tree. My kids absolutely love this. It's a great addition to the living room, and it's pretty cool. So
If you like our video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Lady Golf, and you're watching Mom to Mom. This is my beautiful family, and if you like our video, give us a big thumbs